Toyota Hilux in for the CAN-IMMO Immobiliser. Comes with free tag in the bag, emergency override card. We also give you spare batteries, leather case and a screwdriver to change it. So if I try and start the vehicle, nothing at all, completely dead. Switch it off. So to disarm the vehicle, you either show it the tag, or if you want to do it manually, you enter the ignition. If you watch the P there, as I enter the customer's demo code, we get a flash of the P, foot in the brake, hit the start button, away she goes. As soon as we turn it off, open the door, automatically rearms. So if we try and start it again now, completely dead. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.